In this video, we're gonna see how to build an application that interacts with Bitcoin Lightning without code using webln nocode plugin for Bubble nocode platform. This is a platform that allows you to build applications without code. So first thing first, create an account on Bubble. This is pretty easy. Then on your account, go to Apps tab and click on Create an App button. Select a name for your application. You can leave this drop-down empty. And then create application. Your application will open in so-called app editor. So this is the main workplace where we are building our application in Bubble. First thing, I will create a test page. Let's call it test. And then I will install the plugin that you are here for. So go to plugins tab. As you can see, I already have a few plugins installed. You will have to click on add plugins and search for webln. Then just click install and that's it. The plugin will be installed in your application. I recommend to go to plugin page. The button is here. And read the plugin description as well as the plugin instruction. Also see for the plugin demo page. Now let's go to the design tab, and here is the main page that contains the UI elements of the page. To make the plugin work, we need to add the plugin elements on the page. So the plugin elements contains all the plugin features. So it's actions, states, events, and so on. So here is the plugin elements, donation widget and webln. Let's start with donation widget. This is an UI element that is, well, a donation widget. And here you can see all its settings. By the way, here in the preview, in the app editor, you won't see the final result of how the widget will work. For that, you will have to open the app in the preview, but let's set the widget first. So let's select the color, set a name, and receiver. If you don't know what it means, often the plugin fields have additional documentation. Just click on Show Documentation and read additional instructions of what it is. So in this case, it can be a Lightning address, a LAN URL, or a node ID. I will set our GetAlby address, and you can set a custom image. Now let's open the preview. So the preview means the final result of your application. Here is our donation widget. Click on Donate Sats, choose the amount you want to donate, next. You can add a note, next, and it will detect automatically if you have an extension in your browser like GetAlby. If not, it will generate a QR code that you can send the funds to. I will open this link in another browser where I have GetAlby installed. So this is our wallet, and let's say donate sats, then next, and as you can see, it triggers the payment action automatically to send the funds to selected wallet. I will cancel that, and if you cancel, it will show a QR code. Now let's see how to use the main features of the plugin. So get back to app editor. I'll move the widget down here. Add the webln element on the page. This element won't be visible in app preview, so don't worry about that. Just place it somewhere on the page. Without adding this widget, the plugin features won't work, so you have to add this somewhere. Once the plugin element is added on the page, let's add a connection to our page. So add a button, click on the button and somewhere on the page. And click on Start Workflow. It will open a new workflow that will happen whenever you click on this button. So click here and it will open all the options that you can do when you click on the button. Go to Element Actions, and here you can see all the features that the plugin element has. Connect, sign, make a payment, or pay by invoice. Click on Connect, and basically that's it. To show if the wallet is connected, I will add a text here. I'll delete the default text, insert dynamic data, click here, and I will select the webln element that have different states. These states contains data about the connected wallet or the result of different actions. So in our case, it's the is connected state. It is shown as yes or no. So let's refresh the page and see how it works. So here, as you can see, currently the wallet is not connected. And actually, I will open this page in this other browser because here I have GetAlby wallet. So remember, it won't work if you don't have any Lightning wallet. So let's connect to our app. As you can see, it pop-ups a connection window. If I'll cancel this action, an event that the user canceled the action will trigger. I'll show you how it works later. But for now, let's connect. And the state connected is yes now. We can use this state, for example, to hide this connect button. Here is how to do it. So go to open the conditionals, define another condition, select the plugin element is connected and set it is yes. So if the state is connected is yes, then this element is visible is false. So make this element to hide. So here is how it will look like. Refresh the page and done. The element just won't show. Now let's see how the events works. Go to workflow tab, add a new event, select the element, and here you can see all the events that the plugin element has. So we need the user reject. So this event will trigger whenever the user rejects an action. For example, he rejects to connect to your application or rejects a transaction that you have initiated and so on. Let's add a pop-up that will say, don't worry about the design, you can play with that later. I'm showing you the functionality for now. When the reject event is triggered, it will show the pop-up. So go to actions and element actions, show, and select the pop-up that we just created. So by default, this pop-up won't be shown. Let's refresh the page, and I will disconnect from the application directly from wallet, because for now this is the only way to disconnect a wallet. So go to settings and delete. Yes. The state won't refresh, but if you will try to do any action, it will trigger an error because the wallet is not connected. Let's refresh the page. It will trigger to reconnect to our application. Let's test it. If I'll cancel now, the event user rejected triggers and we see our pop-up that we have created. This is how you can use the plugin events and show different and do different actions depending on various events that happens. I hope this video will help you to get started with Bubble. To see the rest of the plugin features, how they can be implemented, go to plugin demo. I'll leave a link in the video description and open it in editor. Here go to webln Pro page and you can see all the workflows and see what else you can do and how to set up it. Thanks for watching, join our Discord channel and see you.